It's Nate with Eagle News, and Mr. Meta is making us choose a random topic out of this book right here. I got how to hand wash
dishes.
of dishes. All right,
That doesn't say dishes.
I'll be right back with that. We actually got this wrong. It was how to hand wash laundry and not dishes. The first step is to fill up a sink with water, and then after you do that, you're going to want to put your socks or whatever you're cleaning into the sink or bathtub. The next step is to add laundry detergent to the phillips sink, and after you do this, you're going to want to drain the sink with water. Next, you're going to want to have to fill up the sink again and drain it again just to make sure all the detergent is off. Then fill it up one more time and add your white vinegar. Add 1/4 of a cup for a sink full of water. Then pour the vinegar into the sink full of water. After you do that, you're going to want to drain the water, and then you're going to want to fill it up, rinse and repeat. After you make sure that the vinegar smells out of your socks, you're going to have to dry them out. But dry them out, the best way to dry them out is to squeeze the socks but don't wring them, as it could hurt the fabric. The last thing you want to do is hang them up to dry. The socks turned out pretty well.